The Xiaomi YU7 represents a seismic shift in the electric vehicle landscape, arriving as the Chinese tech giant's second automotive venture following their SU7 sedan success. What emerges is not just another electric SUV, but a carefully engineered statement that challenges premium electric vehicle expectations at accessible price points. At first glance, the YU7's design language speaks volumes about Xiaomi's ambitions. Measuring 4,999 millimeters in length with a 3,000 millimeters wheelbase, the vehicle draws inevitable comparisons to the Ferrari Purosangue, with its long hood and sleek profile, creating visual impact that transcends its $35,000 starting price point. This positions the YU7 as luxury, made accessible rather than affordable, trying to appear luxurious. Performance credentials are genuinely impressive. The flagship YU7 Max variant accelerates from 0 to 100 km per hour in just 3.23 seconds, reaching 253 km per hour top speed. With up to 681 horsepower in dual-motor configuration, this SUV delivers supercar-level acceleration in a practical 5-seat package. Range capabilities position the YU7 as a serious long-distance contender. The Max variant's 101 kWh battery delivers up to 835 km range, while supporting 5.2C charge rates, enabling 10 to 80% charging in just 12 minutes. Interior refinement elevates the YU7 beyond typical mainstream offerings. Double laminated glass creates library-quiet cabins, while zero-gravity seats and Nappa leather come standard. The three-tier pricing structure systematically undercuts Tesla Model Y while offering comparable features, representing China's automotive industry maturation and fundamentally altering global market dynamics.